The 2025 Lotus Emira represents a significant evolution in the lineage of Lotus sports cars, blending traditional driving dynamics with modern enhancements. As the company's final petrol-powered model, the Emira serves as a bridge between Lotus's storied past and its future endeavors. Under the hood, the Emira offers two engine configurations. The first is a 3.5-liter supercharged V6, producing 400 horsepower. This engine delivers robust performance, achieving 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds and reaching a top speed of up to 180 miles per hour. The second option is a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 sourced from AMG, generating 360 horsepower. This engine provides a dynamic driving experience, with a 0 to 62 miles per hour time also under 4.5 seconds and a top speed of approximately 175 miles per hour. Both engines are paired with transmissions that enhance the driving experience, a 6-speed manual or automatic for the V6, and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission for the inline-4. The Emira's design draws inspiration from the Avaya hypercar, featuring sculpted surfaces and sharp lines that exude a supercar presence. Its dimensions: length of 4,412 mm, width of 1,895 mm, and height of 1,225 mm, contribute to its athletic stance. The interior is driver-centric, boasting a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. High-quality materials and ergonomic design ensure both comfort and functionality. On the road, the Emira delivers a balanced and engaging driving experience. The chassis provides communicative feedback, and the steering is precise, allowing for confident handling through curves. The suspension system offers a blend of comfort and sportiness, making it suitable for both spirited drives and daily commutes. However, some drivers have noted that the optional sport suspension can result in a stiffer ride, which may not appeal to everyone. In terms of practicality, the Emira offers a total of 12 cubic feet of cargo space, divided between a rear trunk and a storage area behind the seats. While this is adequate for weekend trips, it may be limited compared to some competitors. Fuel efficiency varies between the two engines, with the V6 averaging around 20 mpg combined and the inline-4 achieving slightly better figures. Safety features in the Emira include multiple airbags, stability control, and available driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. These additions mark a step forward for Lotus in incorporating modern safety technologies. The Emira faces competition from models like the Porsche 718 Cayman and the Toyota GR Supra. While the Cayman is often praised for its refined driving dynamics and the Supra for its performance value, the Emira distinguishes itself with its unique design and the heritage of Lotus's engineering philosophy. In summary, the 2025 Lotus Emira successfully marries the brand's hallmark driving engagement with contemporary features and design. It stands as a compelling choice for enthusiasts seeking a sports car that offers both excitement and everyday usability. Thank you for watching this review. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay updated on the latest automotive insights, please subscribe to our channel. At the Auto Insider, we are dedicated to providing in-depth reviews, industry news, and expert analyses to keep you informed about the automotive world.